Dallas activist Dominique Alexander facing criminal domestic violence charges, but right now it's not going to happen in Dallas County. That's because the DA today recused his office. Steve Pickett live for us over Dallas City Hall, where the woman who filed the complaint against Alexander had a little something to say today. Steve?
Doug, Dominique Alexander still in custody here in Dallas County, and as you mentioned, his case in legal limbo as well. That is a result of District Attorney John Creuzot's office issuing this statement earlier this morning. DA's office will recuse itself from activist Dominique Alexander's domestic violence case because of a conflict of interest. That conflict of interest, well, Alexander actively campaigned for John Creuzot and his campaign for the DA's office in the past year. Special prosecutor will now have to be appointed. Alexander, the head of Next Generation Action Network, is accused of physically assaulting the mother of his children. Kiara Saunders told police about 2 acts of violence against her from last Wednesday. That is her accusation. The arrest affidavit indicates that Alexander allegedly choked her after an argument, and also in that case continually pushed her. Saunders, speaking today for the first time publicly about all of this, who is also, by the way, a candidate for a Dallas City Council seat in Oak Cliff. Well, she said little about it specifically, but we know she went to the hospital, then to police.
In spite of all the negativity, I am strong.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
I am strong.
That's right.
I am resilient.
Yes, you are.
And I will not allow these incidents to deter me from my goals.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
I have a dream. I have a vision. There is work to be done.
Say it, Mommy.
Part of this process for Dominique Alexander, the criminal justice system, he remains in jail because there's also an issue in Arlington that dates back to 2015, an accusation of another assault against this woman. For whatever reason, Arlington did not move on that case until now. So it too is part of the reason why he remains in custody. We are told he will post bond. He will get an electronic monitor, will be released, but don't expect that to actually happen until Monday. Reporting live, Steve Pickett, CBS 11 News.